Don't give up. Keep practicing. Then your code shows the result. Okay, good day everyone. Today we are going to take a look on how to send a mail using Python. And this is for learning purpose. I'm going to use SMTP library for sending mail. You can take a look on document. It was detailedly described. Okay, let's get started. Today I'm going to use VS Code Editor and you can use any IDE. Make sure you have installed latest Python version. Okay, let's start with importing library. Now required things to send mail. We are going to create two variables, that is mail sender and mail app password. That is, I'll let you know how to generate app password. Now come to Google Accounts page, which will be your sender email ID account. Okay, now you can able to see security option in the left side. Just select that. Here you can able to see app password. This option only visible once if you have completed two-step verification. Click the app password to generate. You will be navigate to this screen. Here it is asking for what purpose app password is. So select the option and generate. Now you got the app password and don't share this app password to anyone and see the instruction how to use it. And okay, then the detail of mail from to subject and body of the mail are in variables. And then we are using concatenation. And then we need server required details to communicate with mail server. Here we are using SMTP library, entering the server with the port details. Secondly, we need to start the server and then we need to provide the login details. And using send mail function to include all the mail data. And use a print function for the acknowledgement. And then we are using exception function if there is any issue. Okay, it's done now. Now we are going to test how the mail send. Yeah, that awesome has happened now. The email was sent. Now check the exception while the error is coming or not by editing the server details. Yes, that is also working good. Okay, thanks for watching. Please comment below if you're facing any issue. Please check the link in description, the codes for your reference.